Becky. This is our factory. Our company is Dehuo. We have TCM, Toyota, and some other types of forklifts here. If you want to anyone, you can contact me directly or come to visit. I'm looking forward to your coming. Thank you.